Hello my friends, I'm Gote. Today I will review how reading in low light affects our eye health. Also using devices, computers, smartphones and TVs affects our eyes. First, let's say about common myth that reading in low light causes blindness. It's not correct. Not reading in low light and neither using smartphones does not cause directly blindness, and we will explain further what it causes. Let's start with most important two terms: eye strain and computer eye syndrome. Eye strain means when our eyes are tired, simply tired or fatigued. When prolonged, we watching TV or we watching smartphone, on we reading, our eyes are tired. It is eye strain. Another symptom is dry eye or watery eye. These symptoms can be same in case of computer eye syndrome and eye strain. Blurred vision and double vision also common for both. Headache and neck pain also common for both conditions, eye strain and computer eye syndrome. So they have common symptoms. It's tired eyes, dry eyes, watery eyes, blurred vision, double vision, headache, neck pain. Both of these conditions have same symptom. So what's the difference? Why we call one condition eye strain, another computer eye syndrome? Main difference is mechanism. Eye strain is caused by reading books, driving, and also it can be caused by digital devices. So eye strain is more general term, and computer eye syndrome is more specific, and most commonly it is caused by blue light which is emitted from screens. So in case of computer eye syndrome, most important component is blue light. Blue light is emitted, and blue light is short-wave visible light, and it can affect our photoreceptors on our retina, and it can oxidative damage our retina. So that's the most important part. Blue light can oxidative damage our retina, and it can cause age-related macular degeneration. So over time, over years, blue light, if you using computer screen or smartphones constantly, this blue light can cause macular degeneration, and it can cause eventually blindness. But it needs years, maybe tens of years. It does not happen in 1 year or 2 years, but it needs many years. So it's a prolonged process, of course. So blue light is main enemy here. Blue light can damage retina, can damage light sensitive cells, which is called photoreceptors. Also, another bad thing what blue light doing is suppress melatonin. Melatonin is sleep awake cycle hormone in our brain. So it suppresses melatonin, and it decreases our sleep quality. Also, smartphone using before sleep also difficulty sleep, and decreases sleep quality, also causes addiction. So lots of problems. Computer eye syndrome, blue light is most important part here, and during computer eye syndrome, red eyes and dry eyes are more common than in case of eye strain. In case of eye strain, just eyes are tired. That's the problem. But here, commonly red eye is problem, dry eye is problem, sense of foreign body in the eye is problem. So it's to say simple, computer eye syndrome is more severe condition, and it can have much serious long-term effects also, including blindness. But it does not mean that using smartphone causes blindness directly. Of course not. But prolonged blue light causes macular degeneration and eventual blindness. Also, another factor is in case of eye strain, important factor is when we reading from near, our eye muscles constantly trying to focus our lens in the eye, and this constant focus causes tired eyes. And if this constant focus is permanent, and person already adapted this focus position, it can cause nearsightedness or myopia. What means myopia or nearsightedness? It means that person already adapted this nearsightedness, and when see close objects, it's everything clear, but in case of far objects, everything is blurry. That's the problem, myopia. And what is mechanism of myopia? Myopia mechanism is accommodation spasm, which means exactly what I said. These muscles always trying to focus a lens, and they adapted over time, and they stuck at this position, and it causes accommodation spasm, becomes constant condition. So it causes nearsightedness. And another mechanism is axial elongation. Axial elongation also occurs over age, and it also can cause nearsightedness. And if you see, this is eye, this is cornea, this is lens, and this is light. Light is coming, but light focus in front of retina. Light is not focused on the retina. That's nearsightedness. So we already know difference between eye strain and between computer eye syndrome. We know that blue light is main enemy. We know that blue light can cause macular degeneration and blindness over time. Also, it suppresses melatonin. Melatonin is main hormone awaken a sleep cycle, called also circadian rhythm. Now let's discuss what we can do to avoid or treat such conditions like eye strain and computer eye syndrome. Most important rule, if you have to prolonged exposure to blue light and computer screen, most important rule is 20-20-20 rule. It means every 20 minutes, 20 feet away, look 20 feet away, focus 20 feet away for 20 seconds. That's the rule, 20-20-20. Every 20 minutes, focus on any object 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Second, one of the most important factors is blue light filter. You can use blue light filter almost any device. You can use blue light filter glasses also, which you can buy, and sometimes on devices it is called comfort view. It can be night mode. It can be blue light filter, and you can adjust that. You can filter blue light. It's most important. If you filter blue light, you will avoid this retinal degeneration and retinal cells damage. So it's one of the most important components. Also, blink regularly. It's important to avoid and prevent dry eyes. Positioning is also very important. If you're watching to TV, at least 5 feet away. It's around 1.5 meter. If you're watching to computer screen, at least 28 inches. It's around 50 or 70 centimeters. Your arm length, you can measure like this. Your arm and you should be away from your arm length. And in case of pawn should be 40 centimeters away or 16 inches away. It's around like this, 1 and 2, like this, 40 centimeters away. So they are preventive and also treatment methods. Of course, if condition is serious and already person has myopia, ophthalmologist intervention is important. But these simple steps, what I told you, in most cases avoid any serious complications. Thank you very much. If you like my videos, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye for now.